Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Mihon App. Alright, let's begin. First, open a browser on your mobile device and visit the official Mihon website to download the app. Once installed, open it and allow all required permissions. Next, tap on More in the bottom right corner and go to Settings. From there, select Browse and then tap on Extensions. Now, return to your browser and search for Kyushi extensions. Open the GitHub link, scroll down, and tap on the Kyushi website hyperlink. Tap Add to include it. After that, go back to the Mihon app and navigate to the home page. Tap on Browse, switch to Extensions, and search for Mangadex. Download and install it. Once installed, switch to Sources, open Mangadex, and start exploring manga titles. You can now read your favorite manga directly within the app. So that's basically how you can use Mihon app. That's it for this video. Thanks.